Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO K13 Turbo, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down again and localize more security and privacy, and here scroll to find installation sources. So right here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, and you have to be aware because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk, so remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply tap on allowed if you're ready, and as you can see, the Chrome now in my case is allowed to install something, usually different apps. Obviously you can also remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the specific switcher, and as you can see, it will be immediately removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.